In this WeBull tutorial, we're going to show you how to buy a stock on WeBull, and we're also going to show you how to sell a stock on WeBull. We're going to do a screen share so that you can follow along step by step. I'm joined by Stacie Maee.
Hey everyone.
Thanks so much for helping us, Stacie.
Thanks, Brian, for having me.
So let's begin. Stacie's going to begin the screen sharing process so you can see how to buy a stock and also how to sell a stock on WeBull. So let's begin.
So when you start, you're just going to go ahead and you'll see the net account value at the top left corner of your screen. And in the middle, you'll see quick trade, and that's where you will begin. So you'll click quick trade, and up top, you'll see the symbol, name, and just for demonstration purposes, we'll go with Macy's. How's that sound?
That sounds good to me.
Okay. So at the top, you will see buy and sell. We're going to buy first. And the limit price is $7.27. The market price currently is $7.27. So what do you think we should start with today?
So here's the thing. So Stacie said a good point. The market price is that little green thing where it says 7.27. It just changed. It's fluctuating because the stock market is currently open. So that's the price as it is right now. What we want to do, this is just for demonstration purposes only. It says Macy's is currently trading at $7.27 a share. What we're going to do for demonstration purposes only is overpay for it so that the trade executes. It's currently $7.27. We're going to put in a buy order for $7.30. We're intentionally overpaying because we just want the trade to fill for this example. So let's do a buy order for one share at $7.30.
And then from there, you have to make sure you put in the quantity. So we'll just go ahead and do one share. And then you'll click buy. And then confirm. Your order to buy one share went through. And now you can click here on my positions. And you can see that your share was purchased. We'll go ahead and click the M for Macy's.
Perfect. I just want to point out something. So let's go back. We're going to go back one level. If you noticed, after you put in the transaction, you would see the transaction jump into the open orders. Correct. So you would see it jump into the open orders. That's where it would go if your order is still pending. For example, when we placed a trade, it was $7.27 a share. Let's say you wanted the price of the stock to decrease and you wanted to put in an order to buy Macy's for $7.20. Until that order fills, until the price falls to your $7.20, it would just sit in the open orders section.
Exactly.
But then the trade filled, the trade executed, so you saw it drop down there really quickly, and then it vanished out because the trade executed and then it ended up in your My Positions section, which just means that you now own Macy's stock. So now let's demonstrate how you sell a stock. We're going to sell the Macy's stock that we just purchased.
Okay, so you'll go ahead and go back to My Positions. You will click the M for Macy's. And then you will click Sell at the bottom left-hand corner, right next to Buy. You'll up the quantity to 1. And then, let's see, the limit price. So how would you think we should
Sure. So
sell?
Currently, again, refer to the near the top left. The green thing right now is what you see for $7.29. That's the current price of Macy's. So we're for demonstration purposes only. We're going to sell it for cheaper than what it is right now. Normally, you would want to sell it for more than the current market price, but for demonstration purposes only, we're going to sell for cheaper so the trade executes. So it's $7.29 right now. Let's put in an order for $7.25 for one share of Macy's.
$7.25. We've already input the quantity.
Perfect.
And then we'll click Sell. Click Confirm. Your order to sell one share of Macy's has been filled.
Excellent.
You can go back to My Positions. You will see that Macy's is no longer there.
Exactly. So let's go back to the home screen to check our balances. So as you can see, the 103.18 is the total value of your account. This includes your cash on hand as well as the stocks you own. But then the cash balance for what you see for $99.93, that's your buying power. That's how much cash you have available to buy stocks. So we did a round trip. We did a purchase of Macy's and we did the sale of Macy's. So now we're back in a cash position. You bought it and you sold it and we're back in cash. And that's all it takes to buy a stock and sell a stock on WeBull. Thanks so much for joining us in this demonstration.